family. Glad you stopped by. In this episode right now, let's solve this subtraction problem. 91 minus 26. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 1 minus 6. But I can't do it because 1 is smaller than 6. So we must borrow. You go to the 9 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 1 becomes 11 and 9 becomes 8. Now we have 11 minus 6, which equals 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Write 6 in the tens place. So 91 minus 26 equals 65. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel.